Crypto analyst. You talk say those words never finish now, all those slogans. I beg continue from where you stop now the last time.
Oh my people, like I promised now, I thought say words many wey we dey use. Shey you understand? Slogan many wey we dey use. So I will continue from where I stop for the last time. So e get some words again wey we dey use. Wey be say if you don hear am, you don know wetin all these words means. Make I start with old. Our own old no be HOLD. Our own old na HODL. Wey mean say hold on for dear life. Like the coin wey you buy, that coin. If they tell you say old, it means say the project dey let you know say hold am o, the coin go get better thing to do in future. No run sell am for cheap price. Na in that old mean for. E get one again wey we dey call FOMO, fear of missing out. FOMO. If you dey hear omo this person don FOMO, why you go FOMO? Why you this? FOMO means like now you see coin wey dey do 100%, 1000%. You go say omo this coin still fit dey go up o. Shey you understand? This coin fit dey go up o. Abi ma run buy. Na wetin like you dey fear, like you no wan miss out for the coin, but wetin me I go advise you, no dey run buy coin wey don do 100%, 200%, 500%. Shey you understand? Because dem fit dump am on you, e fit dip on you. Shey you get? Dem fit drop the coin on you. So that one na for FOMO. E get one again, DYOR, do your own research. If person tell you say guy, you know, like all those analysis now, if they watch YouTube, wey dem tell you say do your own research on this coin, you like dem tell you coin make you go buy, then you always do your own research. Shey you understand? Do your own findings before you buy the coin. E get some people wey dey call whale. Whale no be fish for water, but whale dey for crypto. All this whale na people wey say dem hold certain amount, wey be say like dem hold plenty of that token for the market. Like Bitcoin now, we fit call Elon Musk whale of Bitcoin, because e company get plenty Bitcoin. Shey you understand? E get many people like that wey get many Bitcoin o, so we dey call those one whale. Dem no be one, no be 100 Bitcoin again. Dem fit get like 5,000 Bitcoin, 10,000 Bitcoin. Na all those one we dey call whale. So e get something wey we dey call wreck again. Omo this one, like if you go buy project and that project go flop, the project go die, and maybe na your papa mama money you go put, or you go put your house rent money. Shey you know say you go later sleep on that bridge. So na wetin that this thing dey for that. And e get one again wey dey call rock pool. Omo I don chop rock pool. If you never chop rock pool, ma see your hand up. You never chop rock pool?
No hands.
No hands. You see this rock pool, you get some project wey be say dem go dey hype am, market am for you. Dem go do advert for am. You say you come dey happy say omo people wey many people dey talk about this project o. Me too, I go buy. If you buy the project finish now, make the project come launch. Then the creator of that project, developer, all these people wey get, shey you understand now, wey dey the project, dem fit just close down the project, say dem no do again. Wey be say no, if you see your money comot, dem don rug pull on you be that. So if you don hear rug pull, you go understand wetin rug pull mean. You no finish for there. I still get more. E still plenty, but shey you understand? I will tell now. Oya, go learn this one, master this one. So if you dey hear hold on for dear life. If you dey hear FOMO, fear of missing out. If you don see coin wey enter 1000%, no buy am. If you dey hear DYOR, do your own research. If you dey hear whale, e mean say omo this person na whale o. Like CZ, the owner of Binance Exchange, na whale for BNB. So if you dey hear wreck, omo you know say that one, the money don enter bush be that. And if you dey hear rock pool, e mean say the project they don rock pull am. So we still get more wey I go like make una know. Una no worry, I still dey come.